Liverpool High School families. I'm Mr. Woodcock and I'm here with Mrs. O'Brien, and we're excited to welcome you this evening to our back to school night / open house here at the high school. We wanted to let you know about some changes to this year's back to school night we think that you'll appreciate based on a lot of the feedback last year. It was kind of a lot of running around to keep up with your child's schedule, a lot of walking, and quick presentations. So we wanted to share some news about our new format here today.
So families can arrive anytime between 5:30 and 7:30. We will be ending at 7:30 so that our teachers can get home to their families. But anytime you can arrive and walk the building, walk the campus. If you know your child's schedule, you can go straight to their Block 1 class as soon as you enter the building. If you don't know their schedule, you should head to their AA classroom. Your child's schedule will be in their AA classroom, so that is something that you want to know before you arrive to the building. However, if you don't, we will be around the building. There are plenty of people who are going to be able to help you, direct you to where you need to go. If you know Block 1, you can park anywhere on the campus and head straight to Block 1. Wetzel Road will be open, both sides of the building, and the entire main building will be open. We're looking forward to seeing you tonight.
So it's great because you don't really need to walk the schedule in order or anything like that. You can just, if you have your child's schedule, which I say is the key, maybe they could text you a picture of their schedule on School Tools. You can walk from, Block 1 class to Block 6 class. You don't have to go in any particular order. There are no presentations in the classrooms. The teachers will be there, so you can see what the classroom looks like. You can meet the teacher. They will have informational sheets about each curricular course, each course that they teach. So we believe this format will make it a little bit quicker and easier for you to navigate your child's schedule. For those of you that walk to Wetzel, you might want to save that to last or do that in the beginning. But we're looking forward to a nice evening this evening. We hope you can join us. And we're also allowing students to come and act as guides. So if your child would like to attend tonight this with you, that's fine as well. Looking forward to a great evening here at the high school.